make the knobs. First of all, we use that white square piece, and then we put 2 knobs on. And then we put some tires, and then we put this black piece on, and then 2 colorful pieces. Put some black pieces with a hole in it, and so the tire can't get into there.
The wheel covers?
Yeah. And then we put some 2 straight black pieces on, and then we put some gray cubes on there. Put a angle piece on there.
Well, I don't know, Oliver. How long did it take you to become a master builder?
Not long. and then we put steering wheel on. And then we make the under one. So as you know, once again we start with that white square piece. Then we put 2 knobs on. That's.
So Oliver, do you think being a master builder is something that is learned, or is something you were born knowing?
Something that you practice to be. I'm really good at it.
Yeah, you've worked really hard, huh?
Yeah, and then we put another black piece on, and then we put 2 colorful pieces on.
Oh, just like the other one.
Oh, and then remember we put some straight pieces on and some cubes on. And the cubes are gray, remember? Aren't. So and then we put it on the car. And then we put a flat straight piece on, but we don't do it on the front wheels.
On the back?
Yeah, only on the back. And then we put 2 hanging pieces on. And then we put window on. Alright. And then we put some angle pieces on. 1 to 2, not from 2 to 1. Alright, then we put some line pieces on. Alright, and then we put some white pieces on. We have to put some pieces on before we put that piece on.
It's really coming together.
Yes, it is.
That's a real sign of a master builder.
And then we put some 2 long pieces on to cover some colorful pieces, and then we put some white pieces on here, some flat white pieces, and we put a hanging piece on that points down, and then we put a long piece with no studs on it. And then we put a gray piece on top of the white piece, and then we put light, and then we put a straightforward piece that has no studs on it, and then we put some down pieces on to cover the sides of the grays, and then we put some lights.
Oliver, do you dream about Legos?
Sometimes. There's some, and there's some lights on, and sometimes I call them sirens. And then we put an engine on, and then we put some grabbers on here, and then we make it pull on. And pieces with two grabbers on them, and they hold on to the pole that the other grabbers are, and then hold one more.
One more pole? This is getting pretty intricate, Oliver.
Just snap it on there. There. And now look. And then before we put the hanger pieces, we put a gray piece on with a cardboard piece on, and then we put two hangers on, and then it reaches up to the white. And then we put this thing on, and then we put some lines on the back side, on the wheel covers, and then we put and then we use one of these, and then we put a gray piece on here, and then we put long black piece on here, and then we put gray piece on it.
How do you know when it's all done?
Because I'm a master builder. And then we put this piece on, and then we put put this piece on, and then we put some angle pieces on, and so it can be like that, go right and then shine that way. And then
How many people can ride in the police car?
just one.
Oh, just one?
And we did a cube. And then we put some cubes on. And then we put some white angle pieces on.
Angles, okay.
And then we put this glass piece on the front for backup to see. And then we put two round pieces on there.
Oh, that's like the glass that he looks out of? It keeps the wind out? Looking good. It's looking real good.
Yeah, and then we put some, and then we put some black pieces right on here, and then we put some white pieces right on here, and then we put some more little cubes on here.
I'm very impressed, Oliver. You're just
Yeah, and then we put some angle pieces with no bumps on it. I mean studs and then we put some grabber pieces on the back.
Yeah. You know, those look like lights right there that are on the side. Are those
Yeah.
like spotlights?
And then we take this piece and then we put these pieces on, and then we make it hang on to here. And then we take
What piece are you looking for?
And then we put this piece on, and then we put these pieces right on there, and then we put this piece on.
What is that thing that you're making?
I'll show you. And then we put this piece on, and then we put this piece on.
Does it have a name?
And no.
Oh, okay.
And then we put some lights on there. These are the brake lights. What I meant to do.
Oh, okay. Is this like the top of the car?
No, it goes on the back.
Oh, on the back, okay.
Because bag hop needs to be able to get out and to get in. And then we put some holder pieces on, and then we put bench on here.
That does look like a bench.
And then we put this piece right on there, and then we.
Oops, sorry. Let me look at that back. Whoa, cool. Those are brake lights.
Oh, yeah.
And then we put this angle to make the top on. Take this piece, and then we put these pieces on, and then we have to put these round pieces on quickly because they hold this piece on, and then we put some sirens on here.
Oh, those are lights,
Yeah, and then
Do they have sirens built in?
and then we put it, and then we quick. Oh, and then we quickly put this gray piece on, and this piece on.
That's incredible, Oliver. I'm so amazed.
And there we have the top.
Ta-da! Big master builder.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Did you use every single part?
Yeah, and and then we had to take this red piece out, and then we have the horn, and then we make back cop's hands go right here, and then we open this top, and then we put back cop in,
Oh, is that bad cop?
and then we close this part.
Oh, that is so nice, Oliver. Oh, goodness sakes.
Did you work hard learning how to make that?
Yeah.
So do you want to tell them what you did to earn all the money to get this?
I did jobs.
Well, tell me what kind of jobs you did.
I clean up messes.
Oh, you're such a good worker.
And I'll show you what's on the bottom.
Yeah, I want to see that. Turn it over so I can see, point it towards the camera. Oh, yeah, yeah.